Southeast Asia, Australia, and India. So in Australia, they're called the sea eagle. But here in the Philippines, they're called Banog or Lawin in the Visaya region. The serpent eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines. This bird prefers habitat of the woodland and forest. They're distinguishable among the serpent eagle because they're spotted in their back and wing. In the wild, they have small mammals, snakes, and rodents. So that's it, our Philippine serpent eagle friend. So white on the head and body with a V-shape and gray in the wings and back. Can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia. Can have up to 30 to 100 miles per hour. The wingspan of this bird is up to 2. So that's it, our white-bellied sea eagle from the neck and nest. That's what you call magnetoreception, meaning that the Earth magnetic field to find direction, altitude, and location. So bisag asa ko na sila maroon pa doon natuloy, bumalik ka rin ang asa sila yan. So that's it, our homing pigeons and ducker. Now I'm going to show you a lot of unique bird here in Cebu Ocean Park.